freedom. This is familiarity wearing a mask. You think you're making choices, what to say, what to wear, who to trust. But every decision is filtered through a blueprint you didn't create. It was installed before you could speak, maybe even before you could walk. Most of your opinions, they're just old fears dressed as logic. That voice in your head calling you lazy, too much, not enough. It doesn't sound like you because it never was you. It was copied from someone else and installed as self. You're not living, you're reacting to scripts written by people who don't even remember your name. But here's the part they never told you. You can rewrite it. Not overnight. Not without resistance. But awareness is the beginning. The moment you notice the chain, you've already weakened it. You are not your mind. You're the one who hears it.